Thailand will ramp up COVID-19 measures as its latest case numbers jump. Prime Minister Prayut Chan-Ocha stopped short of declaring a nationwide lockdown. Officials will instead impose provincial restrictions. Samut Sakhon tells us more.
All eyes were on the meeting of the Thai government's COVID-19 task force, expecting more measures almost 1 week after an outbreak in Samut Sakhon province. But the government stopped short of issuing a nationwide lockdown. Prime Minister Prayut Chan-Ocha is confident that the situation at the moment is still under control.
ข้อสำคัญวันนี้ก็อยากจะยืนยันว่าผมไม่ใช่ผมยืนยันเองผมไม่ใช่การยืนยันจากสาธารณสุขแต่มาจากคณะแพทย์กรมควบคุมโรคต่างๆเขาก็ยืนยันว่ายังสามารถควบคุมได้ระดับเป็นที่น่าพอใจทั้งหมดต่อไปนี้ก็เหลือแต่ความร่วมมือว่าจะร่วมมือกับพื้นที่ต่างๆอย่างไรและบางพื้นที่ที่มีการแพร่ระบาดจากคนตรงนี้ไปตรงโน้นก็เป็นคำพิมพ์ตรงโน้นตรงนี้นี่เขาต้องทำงานแบบนี้นะไม่ใช่ประกาศไปแล้วก็คลุมไปหมดมันก็เดือดร้อนกันไปหมดสิใช่ไหม
Instead, the government has divided up the country into different control zones depending on how many local cases there are already. The 4 categories range from the highest degree of disease control to the least restrictive health surveillance and will give local health officials more guidelines what they can and must do to contain the spread of the virus. Samut Sakhon province, being the epicenter of the current outbreak, is already under lockdown and will see the strictest control, including the closures or limitation of businesses, banning migrant workers from leaving the province, and mass events are banned. Right next to Samut Sakhon is the capital Bangkok, which already has recorded 34 cases in the past week. It's in the second highest category of control, where, for example, schools have already been closed and work from home is being encouraged but not mandated. That also means that New Year's parties can be held here, but only in small circles. However, many big New Year countdown parties in Bangkok and other big cities have already been cancelled before these new measures are in place. Thailand has reported 67 new confirmed COVID-19 cases. 55 of them are directly linked to the seafood market cluster in Samut Sakhon province. And for the second day in a row, there are no new updates about the number of infected migrant workers that make the overwhelming majority of the current outbreak. The Thai government has asked the population to do their part to stop the spread of the virus so that the country can avoid another lockdown. But for some parts of the country, the New Year's festivities have already ended before they actually began. Samut Sakhon, CNA Bangkok.